What a snowy day it was or is still in some parts of the nation. Let's get the latest weather update from our Kwon So-ah. So-ah, hello.
Hi, Jie, and good evening, everyone. I hope most of you got home safe by now or are watching this on DMB while taking public transportation because it's very slippery on the roads, especially in the central regions. But now the snow has let up in many parts, including in Seoul, and currently we can see how the snow clouds are moving eastwards. Now, while the capital received a total of 7.8 centimeters, up to 15 centimeters are expected for Gangwon province. And some west coast areas, Chungcheong province and Jeju Island have chances of more through tomorrow morning. Now, what's going to be a big concern on Thursday are freezing temperatures. In fact, the capital Seoul plunges to minus 10 degrees overnight and stays in the negatives all day long. Daegu, Gwangju, and Busan will range between minus 5 and plus 4. And let's take you over to Daejeon, which will be freezing with a low of minus 9. Jeju Island will stay in the positives, but Mount Kumgang will be extremely cold. And now, as for the international weather, a place as cold as Korea's capital will be China's capital, where lows will hit around minus 10 for the remainder of the week. Tokyo can enjoy much milder conditions with lots of sunshine but gusty winds. Now, meanwhile, Typhoon Bopha in the Philippines has moved past the southwestern Palawan province and headed into the South China Sea earlier in the day. Now, down under, Perth should be pretty cloudy. Melbourne expects a decrease as the day progresses, and Sydney will be crystal clear. Now, temperature-wise, all three expect a high of 23 degrees, and Wellington also joins the 20 club. Now, no big news for Vancouver, which means more periods of rain. Montreal will be very sunny, but no change in the cold. Skies will be on the gray side for Chicago, but thanks to a rise in temperatures, that shouldn't matter too much. New York and Washington, D.C. should be much sunnier. And it stays stormy south in Buenos Aires, and on top of that, very humid. Pleasant and sunny for those in Santiago, but chillier at night. Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo share the same daytime high of 33 degrees with fairly sunny skies in the afternoon. Not much sun to be expected in Europe, especially Madrid and London, but Paris can anticipate clear conditions. After Wednesday's snow in Berlin, it'll be dry on Thursday, but temperatures stay in the negatives. No big change in Africa, with either a mix of sun and clouds or pure blue skies like in Cairo and Dakar. Algiers will stay on the cool side and even drops to only 6 degrees at night. Now, for more weather updates, I'll be back after 10, so see you then.
And that's all the news we are following at this hour. I'm Yuji Hae in Seoul. I'll be back with more news updates on our primetime news at 10 p.m. Korea time. See you then.